Earthworms make up over 80% of animal biomass in many soils, yet most people have no idea how biologically critical they are. Here are 5 facts about earthworms. First fact, earthworms physically change soil structure in measurable ways. Peer-reviewed soil ecology studies show that earthworm burrowing increases soil porosity, water infiltration, and oxygen diffusion. Their tunnels reduce surface runoff and soil compaction, directly improving root penetration and microbial activity. Fields with healthy earthworm populations consistently show higher nutrient availability and crop productivity. Second fact, earthworms act as biological nutrient processors, not decomposers. Earthworms do not chemically decompose organic matter themselves. Instead, they fragment plant material and mix it with soil microbes in their gut. Their waste, called castings, contains significantly higher concentrations of bioavailable nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium than surrounding soil. This has been confirmed across agricultural and forest ecosystems. Third fact, earthworms have a closed circulatory system with multiple pumping structures. Unlike most invertebrates, earthworms have a closed circulatory system. They possess 5 aortic arches that function as pumps to move blood containing hemoglobin, yes, real hemoglobin, throughout the body. This system allows efficient oxygen transport despite their low metabolic rate. This diagram shows the internal anatomy of an earthworm, an animal built entirely for life underground. At the front is the mouth, which pulls in soil and organic matter. Just behind it sits the brain, called the cerebral ganglia, which coordinates movement and basic responses. Surrounding the esophagus are 5 aortic arches, often called hearts, that pump blood through a closed circulatory system. Food then moves into the crop, where it's stored, and the gizzard, where soil and plant material are mechanically ground. The long intestine runs through most of the body, extracting nutrients with the help of microbes before waste exits as nutrient-rich castings. Along the underside is the nerve cord, controlling muscle contractions that allow the worm to move. Tiny bristles, called setae, anchor the body during burrowing. Earthworms have no lungs. Oxygen passes directly through their moist skin, and organs called nephridia filter waste from the blood. Every structure you see here is specialized for one purpose: building healthy soil. Fourth fact, respiration occurs entirely through the skin, and it's quantifiable. Earthworms absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide through cutaneous respiration. Gas exchange only works when their skin remains moist, which is why dehydration is lethal. Laboratory measurements show that oxygen diffusion through the skin is sufficient to meet metabolic needs, but fails rapidly in dry or compacted soil environments. Fifth fact, regeneration is limited, conditional, and well-studied. Earthworms can regenerate posterior segments only if the brain, cerebral ganglia, and several anterior segments remain intact. Regrowth depends on species, injury location, and environmental conditions. No verified study supports the claim that one worm becomes 2 functional worms. This is a biological myth. Earthworms are not simple organisms. They are ecosystem engineers whose physical movement, digestion, and respiration directly influence soil chemistry, plant health, and carbon cycling. Remove them, and soil systems degrade measurably, often irreversibly.